Trying to get in some content this morning. Wake up, you know, find some new YouTubers, find some new ideas, new inspiration. You know, try and perfect my craft. I'm watching let's see, Justin Ascalona right now. So if y'all don't know who Justin Ascalona is, make sure y'all go check him out. I think he lives in Cali. 300,000 plus subscribers. Just waking up, trying to find some, you know, always trying to perfect my craft, you know, trying to get new ideas, you know, stay on top of the game, you know. So me and Dobie over here watching some YouTube. Hey, whole lot of crap going on today. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go. I need to do something with this hair right now. That's for sure. Why am I taping my CV boot, you're asking? Well, I'll explain when we get to the truck meet tonight. Let's just say the 5% windshield tint has claimed its first victim.
I'm not cold at all. I'm actually feeling pretty good.
Getting some rollers tonight.
Hey, Clay, we're gonna put you in the shopping cart. We're gonna put you in. I got a cheeseburger on the way.
Wow. What is going on here? I'm Dirty Dan. Going round two.
We're doing this shit blind, boy.
I need a cone too. Go get me a cone. I feel like it'd be funny if I'm.
Right there. Over there. Get Harrison. Harrison, come tow these guys. What? Put a tow strap. I got a tow strap. Hook it up. Hook it up to the shopping cart. Oh hell. Come on.
Of course you want to. He said, of course I do. Hell yeah. Tow trucks en route.
Oh, you should have seen it.
We'll get to the CV boot in a minute. First, we're gonna have a little fun. I'm definitely hopping in the back.
Yeah, Clay's fat ass. Clay, you're fucking this up for everyone.
Come on, Clay, what are you doing?
Stop being fat. You fucking.
You're gonna blow a boot like I did. What's wrong with Clay?
Hey, bud, we got our safety equipment on. It's all good, bud.
Clay's tow mirror's not working, so he's pissed.
Because his mirror's broken. The light's not working.
It's okay, Clay.
Don't go too fast, but go a little. No, do not.
Punch it.
Hey, by the way, I'm not gonna be. I cannot see this whole line, so
I'm all
Brad,
like
get on.
this.
Stay out. Keep going.
I can't see.
Oh shit. He lost the cone. Oh! Oh!
I thought we were gonna die. Fuck me. You wanna
No, hell no.
I can take the camera.
Bro, chill with the acceleration. You almost threw me the fuck off the shit. Sorry.
He hit the brakes and I thought I was gonna hit the window.
Shit. No. No.
I always hit the truck.
Oh my god. Oh.
Round two?
What?
I thought the car was going that way.
Round two.
Yeah.
Alright, so
I can kind of steer when we're going.
Can we make a turn?
180.
Yeah, go do a wide ass turn. What, Brent? What you doing?
Cut it hard. He lost his cone. It's so cold right now. My hand's shaking holding the camera.
Let it catch now.
Here we go.
Yeah, hold up. Wait, my fucking cone.
just scoop it up. Might as well get comfortable back here. How are you actually turning?
I got this. Grab it. I got this. No. Let go. There you go.
Scoop. Scoop it. Rescue mission successful. Oh, that was beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. So, story time.
No way, because that's cute.
Story time. So I'm pulling over to get some gas. Matt had just called, said that the first truck meet was no-go. I'm really disappointed that I missed it. There was a dump truck that did a burnout. And all kinds of
truck did do burnout.
I'm a little upset that I missed that one. But anyway, we did find some content tonight because I was pulling into a gas station, completely did not see the curb due to the 5% windshield tint over here that you can't see with the flashlight. And we ripped the CV boot down there. And
It's not duct taped.
it's now electrical taped. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is now electrical taped, so it is not leaking. Content for the night. Story time's over. Yeah, I fucked up.
Hey, guys.
5% windshield tint.
Y'all are gonna get those 200 likes, so he gonna be tooted.
So 5% windshield tint has claimed a victim tonight. The first victim of potentially many. I'm actually really surprised that it's taken this long for me to fuck something up with this 5% windshield tint. And then actually, I need to fix this as well, which is kind of embarrassing. Somebody called me out on yesterday's video saying that my tag is expired. And I didn't believe him until I checked my center console, and the sticker's been in my center console since December. So I should probably put that sticker on before GSP gets me. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna act this up. Wrong one. Nope, was the right one. Sorry, never mind.
Oh, hey, what about your white letters, dog?
The white letters? I've only got one wheel right now with the white letters because I flipped one of them. So, proof for you guys. We're doing it right now. Right here, right now.
First hoodie I grabbed out of my closet. I literally
double
was
up
talking
on our
to my
stickers.
mom, like doing this. I'm like,
Around here.
oh, this one feels soft enough.
Double up. There you go. I don't remember who it was that called me out, but thank you, because I would have forgotten until I got pulled over. Getting this bread today. Ta-da! Just like that. What y'all know about that Florida vehicle registration? Nothing. Always good to see some of the boys at the meets out there. Always have a good time hanging out with them. I'm so upset that I missed this meet tonight up in Canton. There was a dump truck that did a burnout, a whole bunch of cops. Apparently it was a good time. And I was literally on the way when Matt called me and said, hey, the cops are here. But apparently the cops really cracked down on this one. They came in with a force, so I'm kind of glad I wasn't there. But there was apparently, from what I was told by multiple people, that this meet was a very solid meet, like one of the best that they'd been to in a while. So huge
huge disappointment that I wasn't there. And obviously if I, you know, if Matt wouldn't have called me, I wouldn't have had to stop, and I wouldn't have had to, you know, mess up my CV booth today. But 5% windshield tint, definitely. We lost a good one today, guys. We definitely lost a good one.
Quick update for you guys. Looks like it's holding up. Just made it home. This is the front of the house for you guys. Looks like it's holding up for now. Maybe a little bit of splatter in there, but maybe that's just from it breaking originally, or you know, a little bit of splatter right there on the lower control arm. I think we're gonna be all right till Monday, hopefully at least. At least now when I get the new one, I can paint this one, because when I got those, I was really upset because like 2 weeks later they were already brown and rusty, which is terrible. It's, you know, obviously that's not how I want the truck to look. That and the exhaust is still rusty, but today hadn't been a very eventful day until the truck meet tonight. So, you know, sometimes you got to wake up. I literally didn't do anything today till like 6:30, like in the afternoon. I did not do anything today. Woke up at 10, went to Bojangles, and that was about, you know, the highlight of my day. So try and accomplish something every day. Don't waste a day like I did. You know, we went out to the truck meet tonight and, you know, got some content, had a little bit of fun. Like I said, I'm a little disappointed I missed the other one, but you know, they'll always next time. So I'll see you guys later on. I hope you guys have a great night. That wide bow tie out. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.